वेलकम टू ब्राह्मी का ब्रह्मांड। आज हम आए हैं मेरे एनिवर्सरी फंक्शन में। चलो फिर अंदर।
Today, the campus of Akshara International School glows with immense joy, energy and pride as we gather to celebrate Athenaeum 2025, our annual cult fest that stands as a beautiful reflection of learning, creativity and connection. It gives me immense pleasure to extend a heartfelt greeting and warm welcome to our distinguished guest, our esteemed Honorable Director Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, respected Vice Principal Ma'am, coordinators, in charges, our ever dedicated teaching and non-teaching staff. Not to forget our valued parents and our ever enthusiastic students. Your esteemed presence today enriches this occasion with grace and grandeur, elevating it into a memorable celebration of unity, inspiration and collective pride. Before we proceed, let us illuminate this auspicious occasion with the traditional lighting of lamp. Every smile a melody and every moment a masterpiece. It's a journey into imagination, innocence and curiosity. Their acts today are not just performances, they are reflection of wonders of how every child sees the extraordinary in the ordinary and connects the magic of imagination with the beauty of reality. To mark the beginning of this magnificent celebration, let us attune our hearts to the language of music that resonates with the soul of Anubal. Our grade 1 musical chirps are here to fill the air with melody and meaning. Each note they sing carries warmth, togetherness and a melody of shared emotion, reminding us that music like connection unites beyond words. So let the rhythm of togetherness flow through every note as our talented Glee Club set the tone for the day of celebration and creativity. With a huge round of applause, welcome our very own Grade 1 singing squad.
Akshara, we believe in holistic development. Today, this topic, Anubandh, that is connecting souls. Parents, while I'm standing here, I can feel the connection of the Akshara staff and the parents. I've seen it on your face right now when the children were performing. The expressions said it all. We believe in connecting to each other and connecting to oneself, and that is why the theme Anubandh.
Their enchanting presentation unfolds in a vibrant summer camp where adventure meets friendship and fun meets fantasy. As the sun rises over this camp, cheer fills the air. And guess who's here to join the excitement? Yes, some of our favorite cartoon characters, from Dora the Explorer, the Curious Adventurer, to the mischievous Minion, and the magical Genie from the land, and the charming Minnie Mouse. They are all set to sparkle their magic and make this camp an unforgettable adventure of fun, friendship, and wonder. Explore and learn that greatest wonders come not through fantasy alone, but from the bonds they build and the memories they create. So, dear audience, fasten your seatbelts and open your heart because Gateway to Wonders is about to start.
Out! Dora, देख के चलो. Dora, please don't wear there. Stop exploring. I can't keep calm. Why? This is the first ever summer camp. Yes. Yes, I agree. But where are all these people? When are they going to teach? We are getting late for the inaugurating of the summer camp. Dora, please let's get them here fast. Okay. Friends, where are you? Summer camp! Summer camp! Summer camp! Summer camp! कितना लेट और बाकी सब कहाँ है?
सॉरी यार, मिनियन ने बनाना देखा और सब भूल गया. बनाना! बनाना लगे, फुट फुट टेस्ट.
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
Stop posing, वरना स्टेज बोलेगा.
Once more, once more, once more.
अरे भाई, इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से लाते हो तुम सब लोग? मैं तो सिर्फ 3 बार ब्लिंक करके ही थक जाता हूँ.
Okay, everyone, now that we've gone into the summer camp with your cartoon buddies, I will explore the jungle and find the illustrator.
I will make banana pancakes with minions.
तुम्हारा वाइड में बच्चे कट रहे हैं. वाइड में बच्चे कट रहे हैं.
My genie will grant us 3 wishes.
Ask me any 3 wishes and I will not fulfill it.
Then I wish this camp to be full of fun, laughter and dance festive.
Your wish is my command.
We will laugh, explore and shout hooray! Summer camp is here to stay. Let's go campus for welcome dance. अपनी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. Move,
It's magic. एक जाने ही कुछ भी होगा नहीं, कुछ भी होना है जो कुछ भी सके. Are you ready to vibe? Come on everybody and vibe with me.
Last night's welcome dance was OMG! दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया! दिल गार्डन गार्डन हो गया! फायर का फायर मेरे तो पैर वाईफाई की सिग्नल की तरह बंद हो गए थे!
Everyone danced so beautifully. शानदार जबरदस्त.
शानदार जबरदस्त!
Banana power get the battery low. Recharging with banana smoothie.
James, your morning energy is buffering. Need a system reboot.
Buffering. Battery low. Breakfast update pending.
Breakfast sounds nice, but my pillow is calling me. They will come back when I'm still sleepy. Good morning, friends. I have a surprise for all of you straight from my backpack. वाह डोरा, हे तो मस्त लग रहा है. Does that really work? ये तुम्हारा magic trick है?
Let's find out. It's Cicero. Get ready for it. 1, 2, and 3.
Okay, campus, white shirt, how do you feel now?
Banana dance mode on. Energy restored. Let's go.
Let's go!
Full battery. Full battery. Full battery. Homework time 0. Moon flying high.
Okay, campus, let's do Zumba and make this day divine. Tummy tight, energy tight, and to do shine so right. Zumba, I thought it's Zoom.
energy, parents. Can we hear some energy for them?
Till the end of time. Stay overnight, 'cause I want you in my life. And I wanna love you, I will never make you cry.
Hey, sir, you're ready for the next one, right? Same here. Let's dance in the class and just play.
Idea! Let's go to Disneyland. Zero stress, full fun demand. Bello, bello, banana land. No, Mickey land. Disneyland? Oh, magical call. Fairy dust for one and all. I am ready to. Selfie with Mickey. Caption, living the dream. IRL.
Okay, Chief. Mantra join. Swipe for no swiping. Adventure online.
Let's go! Inspiring ocean, spreading laughter and full emotion.
OMG! This looks like real life week. Sparkle, smile, candy feet. Full mindset, 100% mood, 200% drama.
Papa, देखो सब एक्सीलेंट जैसा हैप्पी फिट फील आइसक्रीम और नॉट I'm here for selfies and spotlight block.
डोरा, मैप बताओ, कंट्रोल किधर है? Turn right after the candy shop. Sugar GPS active.
Look forward. Total main character energy. Best into our Zumba vibes. Sparkle. High five. Tata. Raps of Guru. Music lab. Cartoon crew too.
Wow! Let's go watch Disneyland Rocks non-stop.
Laugh, jump, cheer, sway. Disneyland magic leads the way.
अरे मोटू, तू मॉडल कम और खाती रिटर्न्स का हीरो ज्यादा लग रहा है। पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, मैं समझ में पतलू। कैप्शन लिख, रैंप वॉक विद स्नैक टॉक।
गोरखपुर का फैशन आइकॉन हूँ मैं। लड्डू मेरा प्रॉप है, स्टाइल मेरा ड्रॉप है।
अरे भी, ये रैंप है, अखाड़ा नहीं, थोड़ा वॉक कर, वार नहीं।
मैं आया हूँ स्टाइल लेकर, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ। ढोलकपुर के रैंप पे फुल धमाका।
बस भी, ज्यादा एटीट्यूड मत दिखा, वरना लड्डू भी बोलेगा मैं भी स्टार हूँ बाबा।
Clapping hands for parents.
मैं हूँ रौनक, फुल स्वैग एंड लव। जो मुझसे टकरा करेगा को
Blockbuster, Style Medi High, Attitude Deluxe, Madam Kirani, Donald Ducks. मैं हूँ टॉप, रैंक का हीरो, फुल टेंशन और जीरो फिरो। जेरी को पकड़ना मेरा डेली कार्डियो। अरे डम भाई चिल पे ले, मैं चीफ के साथ इंस्टा रील बना रहा हूँ। तू भाग, मैं स्वैग दिखाऊं। मैं नोबिता हूँ, पढ़ाई कम, ड्रीम साई और डोरेमोन मेरा वाईफाई। शिजुका के सामने तो मैं बफरिंग मोड में चला जाता हूँ। गैजेट है और तेरी टाइमिंग ही खराब है। रैंक पे स्टाइल दिखाना, होमवर्क के बहाने बाद में बताना।
Cool parents, make some noise!
We chase each other all day, but now we are here to groove. Before we leave, let's set everyone for dance tutorial.
Can we hear it louder for them?
डिज्नीलैंड ने तो पूरा एंटरटेनमेंट का धमाका कर दिया। Dance walk by Disney character was epic and the dance was energy booster. और अब देखो पुणे का बच्चा भी डिज्नी मूड में आ गया। Rain, aren't you? Say it with me. Rain, rain, come on, rain. Rain, rain. Oh, my bones. And my girls never get along. प्यार ड्रामा हो गया। At least you have goals. My hair looks like noodles now. Hello, rain good. Be happy, happy. No, not happy. Mind you. Make lessons ready. Chill, David. Rain's fun. Puddles are calling. And Rainbow is the special guest. I love Rainbow. Nature का सबसे cool filter. Rainbows are awesome. Rainbows are awesome. Dora, can we find one million bricks? It almost has from my painting class. I hope this rainbow comes with the sparkle mode. Your painting class can wait, Jason. I am ready to miss my painting class, but not a rainbow selfie. Be colorful already, but I love forever. You are a walking sunshine. When colors meet, magic begins. Let's all look up and wait together. Straight with me, adventure adventure mode on. Wow, rainbow mode. Sky just dropped its color update. Every color acts its own
yellow, blue, orange, pink, purple too. In a rainbow cheer, jump up and down and move your body round and round. In a rainbow cheer, jump up and down and move your body round and round. So many colors, joy and fun. So many colors, having fun. So many colors you will see in a rainbow cheer. Now sing with me. Come on now, green, yellow, blue.
Come on,
Orange, pink, purple,
cheering for our little star.
red, green, yellow, blue. Orange, pink, purple too. In a rainbow cheer, jump up and down and move your body round and round. In a rainbow cheer, jump up and down and move your body round and round. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange, pink, purple too. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange, pink, and purple too. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange, pink, and purple too. Red, green, yellow, blue, orange, pink, and purple too. In a rainbow cheer, jump up and down and move your body round and round. In a rainbow cheer, jump up and down and move your body round and round. Rainbow cheer, rainbow cheer, rainbow cheer.
Keep the claps going on.
Yes, the rainbow dances were so good. I felt like the colors are doing cardio. Bro, उनका डांस देख के लगा कि एनर्जी का पावर बैंक फुल चार्ज था. Guys, that was epic one. Tell me, have any of you ever been to another country? Yes, yes. I have been to Paris, Cafe, France, and Eiffel Tower. हाँ हाँ और कैप्शन होगा. Lost in Paris, but found in good lighting. I will go to America. Burger, music, and I will say your bro in Americans. अमेरिका, अगर तुम योगा बोलोगे ना तो तुम्हारा वीजा ही रिजेक्ट हो जाएगा. Camel, shiny sand, and थोड़ा magic dust. Then Henry come on camel. He said, we won Japan, sushi,
Come on, parents, let's vote for our children.
Where should I go?
マクドナルドくるくると入れと1個2個3つ入れと8シードホテルセブンイレブンミルクバスビールスターバックス
Konnichiwa, sumimasen, I fallen na. I don't speak Japanese, but I love ramen tempura. When you say arigato konbawa, I say Suzuki Yamaha, Yumiki Toshiba, Casio Kochira. I'm losing my way. Where should I go? Shinjuku so big. I need a Doraemon. You speak Japanese.
Come on, energy for this week. Lucky
What can I do? Where should I go? Please take me home.
マクドナルドくるくると入れと1個2個3
Let's hear it, students, stop it.
シードホテルセブンイレブンミルクバスビールスターバックス
Come on, parents, let's cheer them.
サラダハンバーガーサンドイッチソーセージコーヒーケーキアイスクリームコンビニフライドポテトエスカレーターアルコールバレーボー
Keep
ル
the
ベー
girls
スボール
going. Why is it so silent?
マクドナルドくるくると入れと1個2個3つ入れと8シードホテルセブンイレブンミルクバスビールスターバックス
What an amazing performance. A huge round of applause to encourage our children.
क्या ग्रेसफुल डांस था ना सब कितने काम और पीसफुल लग रहे थे हाँ बट अब थोड़ा साइलेंस हो गया है कैंप के वाइब्स थोड़े स्लो लग रहे हैं
कभी कभी ना इवन इन फन टाइम्स हाथ को तो घड़ी याद आ जाता है
हाँ शिजुका जैसे काम बट थोड़ा इमोशनल टू लाइक मैं खुश तो हूँ बट थोड़ा मिसिंग भी है बनना भी थोड़ा इमोशनल लग रहा है You know what, guys? Feeling was okay. सुपर हीरो कभी कभी थक जाते हैं True. लेकिन उनका सुपर पावर क्या होता है वो कभी गिव अप ही नहीं करते हाँ even when life says buffering they say retry exactly when you can't find sunshine be the sunshine and when you can't find the banana be the banana
तो चलो let's power up because guess what heroes never rest
Superheroes always rise stronger, brighter, and full of masti.
so get ready because now it's time for
Get some clouds to flow. Up, and banana away. Get some clouds to flow. Get some clouds to flow. Get some clouds to flow.
Huge round of applause.
Wow, journey's feet from our welcome day to Rainbow Land. Ram Fox and even Japan. मुझे लग रहा है मेरे शूज भी बोल रहे हैं, बस करो डोरा, अब थोड़ा रेस्ट करो. बिल्कुल, फुल जोश, फुल ग्लो. बस पॉपकॉर्न बिस्किट शॉप. एनर्जी से भरपूर, पिक्चर परफेक्ट मोमेंट्स बॉस.
और टीम वर्क देख के लगा यही तो है अनुबंध का शो. हर बीट बोले टुगेदर वी ग्लो.
हाँ, ये कैंप था मस्ती और प्यार का प्लान. सबसे क्यूट, सबसे मस्त. पब्लिक बोले once more. Once more my friend, once more my friend. ही. अनुबंध मतलब एक बनाना सबके साथ शेयर. अब फिनाले का टाइम है. धमाल मचने वाला है. एक स्टेज, एक स्माइल. अनुबंध का जादू छाने वाला है. So lights on, hearts high. Let's end this ride in style. अरे ये तो पता है बॉस.
So come on everyone, cheer loud, cheer fast. It's the great gala finale. Our Anubandh side.
Together we play. Our Anubandh lights up the day. शानदार जबरदस्त दिल से कहना, ये कैंप था ब्लॉकबस्टर आइडिया.
They can't hear your cheers. Come on, parents. एक जोरदार तालियां for the final push. Come on. We need some more energy. Come on.
हेलो हाय नमस्ते सलामा आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा. बोरिंग लम्हों को कर दे गुलाबी. जश्न रखने न देंगे जरा भी. अपना फेमस है याद आना. अपने संग को भी आ जाना. छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना. जोरों से तू चिल्लाना. Everything's gonna be
Please feel your energy.
Come on, guys. Come on, don't hesitate.
मेरे इशारे पे तो दिन नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गए. दिखा दूं तुझे
Come on,
मेरा
guys,
बड़ा
come
डांस
on.
तेरा बड़ा डांस मेरा बड़ा डांस
Look at their energy, look at their body language. Keep your flag flying. Do not stop, come on parents. Keep clapping parents. Their energy, confidence and smiles. Each step they took, each expression they wore reflected the true spirit of Gateway to Wonders, a celebration of joy, creativity and connection. Their enthusiasm, their sparkle and their innocence have truly made this day a memory to cherish forever. And now as the applause continues, it's time to welcome the guiding lights who turned every tiny moment into magic, our teachers. They are the strength behind every performance, the vision behind every smile, and the heartbeat of every success we witness today. Let's give them a warm, heartfelt round of applause as they step forward, the mentors who made Gateway to Wonders shine so brilliantly. Ms. Shivangi, class teacher of 1A, with kindness in her voice and sparkle in her eyes, she makes every child rise. Ms. Rituja, class teacher of 1B, for every child is a masterpiece in progress. A 1C class teacher, the artist of heart, Ms. Anshani, a teacher by profession, a friend by heart. That's our class teacher, Ms. Mahua, special art. She's the class teacher of 1A. For her, every child is a masterpiece in progress. Our class teacher of 1F is the artist of heart, Miss Meenal. Guiding little hearts with big patience, that's her everyday brilliance. Welcoming the class teacher of 1G, Miss Shweta. Her energy never fades, her care never ends. She's a teacher and a forever friend. Calling upon class teacher of 1H, Miss Shikha. She sprinkles joy like confetti and keeps her spirits always ready. She's Miss Rajashri, the class teacher of 1I. जो हिंदी को सिर्फ पढ़ाती नहीं बल्कि दिल में बसा देती है, मिस पूजा एंड मिस ट्विंकल. मराठी मान, मराठी भाषा आपल्या मराठी टीचरमुळे स्कूल होता अजून आनंदशाळा. मिस आरती एंड मिस साधना निंबाळकर. Painting imagination with colors so bright. Our art teacher makes creativity take flight. Miss Mayura and Miss Sakshi. Wherever there is action and fun, you'll find our PT teachers on the run. Miss Yogita and Miss Arundhati. Click, type, code. Our computer teachers make tech talk simple and bold. Miss Namrata. Our dance teacher is Vanashri who made every written step a big hit. Today's wheels are tomorrow's memories thanks to her. Music flows where she goes. Our vocal teacher fills the air with melody and soul. Miss Shambhavi. Next, the multitasker with endless energy, Miss Shweta, grade 1 class representative. She connects students, parents and teachers just right. Like Wi-Fi full signal, always bright. Lastly, the captain of our ship, Miss Divya, with leadership so grand. She steers our fantasy world with a magical hand. Once again, let's give a thunderstorm of applause for these shining stars. Because behind every child who believes in magic, there's a teacher who created it. Eyes wide and memories aglow. To express our thanks and appreciation, I hand over the mic to Ms. Divya, our in charge, for the vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to all of you.
As we come to the close of this vibrant and joy-filled afternoon, it gives me immense pleasure and gratitude to stand before you and express our heartfelt thank you and appreciation on behalf of the entire Akshara family. I, Divya Jain, in charge of lower primary section, feels honored to present the vote of thanks for today's wonderful cultural program. At the very outset, we express our sincere gratitude to the Almighty for His blessings, guidance and grace that have enabled to smooth and successful conduct of today's event. We extend our heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Chairperson, Mrs. Jyoti Rathore Ma'am, for her blessings and best wishes. To our Visionary Director, Mr. Jayesh Rathore Sir, for gracing the occasion with his esteemed presence. His continuous support and leadership encouragement inspires us to strive for excellence in each endeavor. Let us carry forward the spirit of joy, teamwork and creativity.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे